Hiya, we're just back from the famine village on Slayhead Road. Or is it Slayhead Road? I think it's Slayhead Road. No drive. We're just parked up in the car park while Ollie takes Bruno for his checkup at the vets. We're not sure where we're going yet, but anyway, what I'm doing is I'm cooking dinner, but we're having it lunchtime. I thought you might like to see what we're going to eat tonight. We're having pork mince Italian with pasta. Now, you can use either pork or beef, whichever you prefer. Today I'm using pork, another day I might use beef mince, you know. So it just depends on what you like. We had a lovely morning with the sheep and all that. I was in my element. Sheep. That was me. I was fine. But there's a lot to see up there, and not many people know about it. And I think it was €5 each. And you spend as much time up there. You feed the animals. It's lovely, especially if you've got kids. They love it. But we thought you might like to see something different. Now, I'm going to put the ingredients you need up next. And oh yeah, see the coffee mugs? Don't know if you can see them. Well, these are the new coffee mugs. Pretty cool, aren't they? So it's nice to have your morning cup of tea or coffee in. Now, if you would like one, if you go down into the description, our website's there and you can order one. All the details are there. Plus, there's a couple of other things. We will be adding more, but at the moment, we've just got a couple of things up. So, well, have a look. So, anyway, no more yapping. I'm going to get on with this and hope you enjoy. Okay, chopped everything up. The mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, peppers. I've got the garlic, the olive oil, salt and pepper, the passata sauce, Italian mixed herbs and paprika. Okay, going to give the frying pan a few squirts of spray. Oh, getting low. Don't use much oil, but now I'm going to put in the mince. Oh, sizzle. I'm going to turn that down. Oh, I've got the pasta on about a medium heat, so I'm just going to break this up. Now, you might think, well, that's a bit strange, but I add the other ingredients, like the peppers, the onion, and the mushrooms, all at the same time as the mince, and then I cook them all the way through. There's all the veggie in, and I add half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs, and 2 teaspoonfuls of minced garlic. I cheat, I don't keep the garlic. I get this one, I don't know if you can see it, at good old Lidl's. Now, just give this a bit of a mix up, and then what I do is I just leave it to simmer away for a few minutes, you know, turning it now and again. So I'm just going to put the spray catcher, which also works as a, you know, just a steaming, it sort of like cooks on its own. Just turn that down a bit. Okay, just while that's cooking, I will sit down for 2 minutes and have a chit chat with you. Is there anything that you like to cook in in your van while you're on the road? God, don't have to get warm, doesn't it? But anyway, it's raining outside, and like I said, because we're parked in a car park, I don't want to have the side door open. So I've opened the top fan. But is there anything you like cooking? Or anything else you like to see me cooking here? Whatever. This meal, it takes about 10-minute prep and about a total minutes cooking time of about 20 minutes. And so what you're talking, half an hour? And I think the ingredients cost about €6, I think. So it's not bad going for a meal for two. Oh, while I'm at it, I bought a new sheep. I did, for the van. Now, I can't think what to call her. So, would any of you like to name her? If you do, in the comment box, as usual. Oh, don't forget to push that little subscribe button, ring the bell, leave a like, and a comment. Be ever so grateful. No, so listen, I've got to get back to that. Wait, I'm going to have some coffee first. Now, it's grand for a minute. Oh, if it weren't for me coffee. Like, look at that. Isn't that so cute? And with our logo on the front. Come on, you'd love to wake up to one of these in the morning. Oh, peace and quiet. Oliver usually sits in the corner when I'm cooking, and all he wants to do is chit chat, where me, I like to cook away in peace. Ark at me, cooking away in peace, and I'm yapping to you, well, you're different. But listen, got to get back to it. Right, just put the stock pot in, forgot to film it. I use a chicken stock pot with the pork. And so I've just put that in, I'm just mixing it around. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay, now I'm going to leave that to simmer for a bit longer. Pasta's cooking away nicely, just give that a bit of a turn. Oh, that's lovely. Smashing. Right, let's put this on for a bit longer. There we go. Right, pasta's all strained. See the strainer? I got it off Temu. It's one of those collapsible ones. It's brilliant. Now, just going to add the passata. I think that's how you say it. But you know what I'm like with my words. Anything can come out of my mouth. But does it embarrass me? No. Right. Stir that in. Right. Break this mince up a bit. See, that's just me for yapping. I should have broke it up a bit better. Right. Make sure everything's coated. Just leave it to cook for a bit longer. Make sure everything's nice and covered. Oh, it smells. I wish we had smelly vision. Smelly vision? No, smell-o-vision. Mind you, if Ollie's socks were in here, it would be smelly vision. But, yeah. Okay, let's get that up to bubbling. Turn that up a bit. Keep stirring it. Arc of that inverter. That's the only thing that drives me mad about that inverter is the bloody noise it makes. Anyway, so I'm just going to stir the pasta in. Make sure everything's coated in that lovely juice. Oh yeah, I forgot you add salt and pepper for your own taste, okay? So I forgot to say that. And I also always add a little bit to the pasta while it's cooking. And a tiny drop of olive oil, because that helps stop it from sticking to the bottom. But not much oil, you know. Right, that's all cooking away lovely. About another 5 minutes, if that. we'll just put that in to cook nicely. Make sure everything's going along. Now, when this is finished, you can add a bit of parmesan or a bit of cheddar. I leave that option open for Ollie because he either wants cheese or he don't want cheese, so that's up to him. So yeah, that's quite a low calorie, low fat dish. Plenty of protein in it, and it tastes gorgeous. There you go, it's all but ready. I think we might have a taste test because I'll have to heat it up again when himself gets back. But we'll have a little taste test, shall we? So good. Sorry about that, so good. Yeah, I'll tell you what, give it a go. It's so simple. Bung it all in the frying pan and just give it a go. Right, so we'll catch you at our next stop. So you'll have to wait until the next video to see where we're going. Alright, have a good day. Excuse me. Have a good day and we'll catch you soon. Bye now.